Hi and welcome to a little week in my life. Here is my little outfit of the day, and we are about to go into court to support a friend in their court case. They did nothing wrong at all, by the way. Look how pretty our courthouse is. Guys, I forgot to video for you for my week in the life. My mom and I, Mom, say hi to the vlog. Hi. We went for drinks at the Rosewood Miramar in Montecito. This is my outfit of the day. I'm shooting a little collab, and I maybe got a rum-based drink that maybe hit me a little bit too hard, which is partially why I forgot. So, sorry, but I remembered at the end, so you can kind of see that we were here. But keep an eye out on my Instagram for photos from tonight. There probably will be coming closer to Christmas time, however, but you'll see a little video clip soon because this outfit, again, was a collab. So we have a fun little clip that I'm going to add into my week in the life that I'm planning on filming, but I'm planning on filming that later this week on starting that, but this is too good not to include. I'm going to one of my grandpa's best friend's birthday parties. Yes, you heard that right. And I'm going to take you along with me, because trust me, you'll want to see this. We are going karting today. This is my outfit, and I'm karting with 70 to 80-year-old men. And they're gonna smoke me, but it's gonna be fun.
I'm at the official compromise of these domestic things. Going up and down, side to side, like a roller coaster.
I am stupid. I am stupid.
What damage do you have? Talent.
Mom and I just got coffee and shot photos. Now we're going to Trader. Wow, she's really backlit. Now we're going to Trader Joe's. This hat is on crooked.
Is what?
It's crooked. Cheers. Say hello to the vlog, Bubba. You interested in treats? There it is. Good boy.
Bath time for Bubba. It's his favorite. He asks for a bath every day.
Now it is time to do some laundry because I have family pictures tomorrow and I have a fun event tomorrow that I will be bringing you with me for. So I need to make sure that the outfit that I want to wear is clean. Wow, my hair is crazy. I feel like having a warm drink, so I'm gonna make myself some peppermint tea with honey, and I haven't done that because I'm trying to do that. My brain is a mess today. Shay woke me up. I filmed it, but Shay woke me up before 6 a.m. at like 5:30. Then I went in my mom's room because my mom was up to say hi to Bentley before I got Shay out of her crate this morning to go take her for a walk. And then I came home, I fed her at like 7 and fell asleep until 9. And that just threw my day off. And so I'm just trying to kind of get back into a swing of things. I was planning on shooting some content today, but I'm not going to. I have a big chunk of time Monday where I'll need to be out of the house, so I'm just gonna do it then. For now, a warm drink, some tea, because I keep craving hot chocolate, but I can't have like 10 chocolate. But I can't have like 10 hot chocolates in a day. I mean, I could, but it wouldn't be the healthiest choice, so I'm gonna go with tea for now. And this is the brand of peppermint tea that I like a lot. I don't know why, it just is good. Don't tease me. Tate McRae's new album, love some of the songs on it so much. I like all of it, but some of the songs just hit a little bit more than others, but that's how every album goes. But it's been stuck in my head. I have had an obsession with Ryan Tedder for a long time, just because he's literally the genius behind so many top charting songs, and it just, his brain amazes me. And he worked with Tate on this album, so I knew I was probably gonna like it because I like Tate and I like some of her music beforehand, but her and Ryan Tedder are just the unstoppable duo in my opinion. Okay, no one ever taught me this or told me this, but this is how I like to make my tea when I put honey in it. I'm not a big honey fan, but I like honey and peppermint tea. But to melt it in the best way, don't put your tea bag in yet. Pour the water in the cup. A tea tutorial that none of you asked for, but I'm giving anyway. This kettle is only made for people with patience, and I am not one of them, so I find myself just getting angry, and often I spill it because I'm trying to get it to go faster, and it's just not made for that. Okay. Then, before you put your tea bag in, grab a spoon and mix the honey. So you're just gonna make honey water and then add your tea bag, so you're not getting your tea bag all looped up around your spoon. I don't know, maybe I was just stupid in the past, but no one ever told me to do this, and when I realized that like I should be doing this, it changed the game for me because I wasn't frustrated making my tea anymore. So Shay stole my blanket and decided to sleep down here. Huh, cutie matushkish. Cutie moving. Please ignore the fact that my lamp is this color. It'll change periodically on and off. I can't fix it. Don't bother. But it's time to tackle this bad boy on my clean laundry. So I'm gonna do that while watching a show and then go to bed.
Mike, where you going?
This fool was barking up a storm in his crate, so I had to come rescue him.
We have family photos today, so I'm gonna get ready. The theme that we're doing is like white denim or beige and brown. So I think I'm gonna do my brown bodysuit and jeans, and I'm gonna change. I'm gonna do my makeup, and I'm gonna try and do it quickly so that maybe I'll have time to get to my hair. We'll see. Ready for family photos. My mom straightened my hair for me, and I'm wearing these earrings. These are from Amazon. These are Every Jewels, and then these two necklaces are Every Jewels, and this is from Flair & Co. or Flair Accessories. I'm not sure. They have different, I don't know. Their handle is Flair & Co, but their website says Flair Accessories, so yeah. And then I'm wearing Road Ribbon on the lips. I need to reapply before the photo. And then I'm wearing baggy jeans and my Star Converse. I don't know what they're actually called. Today's a shoot day and I forgot one of the hoodies for one of my outfits, but this is the last outfit that I am shooting a video in, and I'm in like a really beautiful little courtyard, but I need to fix up my hair so that it looks different from the other two, and then we'll get going. Then I'm gonna go edit all of these at a coffee shop, but I'm disappointed that I didn't bring my other outfit, but I guess I'll just wear it tomorrow and shoot it tomorrow because I'm going to come back because I always edit at a coffee shop. So yeah, that's what we're up to today. This is a part of my morning that I don't share often because I don't think to. Sorry, Shay just jumped on me, but I play with Shay because she gets morning crazies. So the plan for today is I'm gonna finish Chronicles of Narnia, Lion, Witch, and the Wardrobe right now, and then I'm gonna crate Shay. And I haven't decided if during that time I should be planning out content for next month or if I should go and I have to retake some photos that I did in addition to my videos for the company I'm collaborating with on Amazon. So I need to go take photos in the outfit, and I think I might do that as well. But yeah, that's what I'm planning on this morning. And then this afternoon I need to go take outfit of the day pictures because I forgot to bring my Formula One hoodie, that my new one that I got that I was planning on shooting yesterday with the other outfits that I shot. So I'm going to do that today as I normally go to the coffee shop to edit today anyway. So I'm going to do that and edit both that and this video. And then I need to get my life together to make sure I'm on top of filming the rest of my YouTube videos because I've been posting every Wednesday and Saturday. And I just feel like I was getting ahead in a good way, and still being current at the same time with my YouTube videos and my content here, but I feel like I'm now really behind. So I'm going to try and get back on that, but that won't probably be in this video because this video ends today. I'm crying as if I haven't already seen this movie. Am I okay? We're getting the steamer ready to steam these. I apologize, my hair is disgusting, but I'm just slicking it back today because that was my vision for photos, so I am gonna let it be greasy because it'll slick back better. So I just went to PacSun to try and exchange my sweatshirt that I have. That didn't work. Then they basically were like, we can't do it for you. You have to email. Lame. Then I was gonna go take photos in a parking garage. I had it all planned out, and a whole bunch of girls were where I wanted to take photos. So now I am hiding essentially, but I'm hiding from a homeless man who's just sitting out there. But I'm gonna go edit, but I'm pretty sure the cute barista that I like to see isn't even there. So we love that. But yeah, it's time. I don't know, man. I don't know what to do. But I need to take some photos, so I'm gonna try and do that real quick. Okay, we just took photos. Now we're gonna go to the coffee shop and we're gonna edit this video. We'll see if it works out for me or not. I swear I make a mess every single time I cook, and it's different what happens every time. There's your proof. Okay, just so you know what's going on behind the scenes right now. But I made myself and my mom some hot chocolate. My dad didn't want some. I offered. Don't get mad at me in the comments. Also, Bubba really, really, really wants some. I can't do this with an audience. Anyways, this is gonna end out this vlog. So thank you so much for watching. I love you. I'm thankful you're here. Until next time.